All right, what is going on, everybody? Today's day one of my uProfit challenge. All right, so the market's been open for about 10 minutes now. We're starting to see our first sign of sellers come in. There's a bit of a rejection off of the pre-market high, which is that gray line that you see. Looking at this screen here, there seems to be a little bit of a bounce coming on the 1 minute chart off of that 400 level. But ideally, I'd like to be taking my long around that light blue line there. So that probably aligns with VWAP as well as that 5 EMA on the daily chart. All right, so it looks like it might have a chance to crack the lows here, in which case I'd be interested in taking a long.
Order filled.
All right, so I'm going to go for a long there. I like that area. And one thing I would like to note as well is I'm going to be constantly analyzing the price action to determine whether or not I think I should be good for an early exit, whether that's in the green or the red. Now I'm watching this 1 minute chart here. If we do get a close below VWAP, that's not great for our position. Somehow I haven't been stopped out yet, but the price action looks very bearish at that point. Breaks through and retests VWAP and then fails. That's not looking good for the position. So something that might be our saving grace here is there are some hammer candles forming. I'm not a fan of this, to be honest with you. And here's where it'll rip to. Watch. Because just looking at the 1 minute here, a pullback to the VWAP would make sense, and then a continuation higher.
Order filled.
So I'm back in at my original entry. Now that we're back above VWAP, I am more comfortable being back in this trade. All right, so there's a new high. Next level to break is the prior high. So looking at the 1 minute, we just made that new high on the SPY. Very low volume, so that's something to be concerned about. It's a battle today. There's not a whole lot of movement. Oof. You kidding me, man? Look at the 1 minute there. That was a bull trap.
Stop filled.
So there's that. So I may be interested in taking a short here.
Order filled.
I do quite like that location for an entry for a short. Looking at this chart here, I have some resistance helping me. 5 minute looks okay as well. I think that we should have some protection from VWAP as well as some other resistance points. We also don't have a whole lot of buyers on Delta, so I honestly think that the probability of us winning this trade is higher than us losing it. We're getting our close below that trend line now, and let's see if we hit it.
Order filled.
I think that's going to be the end of the day today. Not too bad of a day, but definitely choppier price action than I would have liked to see. Lots of fake outs, lots of being involved in chop that I'm just not interested in. So I'm just going to come back tomorrow super strong, and hopefully we got a bit more of a interesting market to play in. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching the video. Take it easy.